Hi, VencoreWeather.com meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Thursday morning, April 6th. A major storm system is unfolding here in the Mid-Atlantic region. We will have occasional heavy rain in the D.C., Philadelphia, New York City corridor. There's likely to be embedded thunderstorms. Some of those thunderstorms can reach strong to severe levels over the next several hours. Anytime from right now into the early part of the afternoon, there can be some heavy rain and some embedded thunderstorms. Even into the mid and latter part of the afternoon, there's the potential for some strong to severe thunderstorm activity. Let's look at the latest radar. This is for the D.C. metro region. Some heavy rain right now in and around Washington, D.C. Some embedded thunder in here as well. And all of this is moving slowly to the north and east. Right now in the northeastern part of Maryland and southeastern Pennsylvania, not any kind of a steady rainfall. Let's jump to the radar now for southeastern Pennsylvania. And here we go. That steady heavy rainfall is now just moving into the northeastern tip of Maryland, southeastern Pennsylvania. Just some drizzle around the Philadelphia metro region right now with strong winds and cloudy skies, of course, and quite cool temperatures. The steadier heavy rain is on the doorstep, will arrive here over the next hour or two. It looks like this will be a day of rounds of showers and thunderstorms, any one of which can produce heavy rainfall in a short period of time. Let's now take a look at a high-resolution model and walk through it on an hour-by-hour basis. Well, this is the high-resolution rapid refresh model that NOAA puts out, and we'll walk through it on an hourly basis. It's updated every hour, so this is the most recent HRRR for the northeastern part of the U.S. Here's that area of heavy rain right now over the D.C. metro region. Not much showing up right now in southeastern Pennsylvania. Again, there's some drizzle falling, windy, cool conditions all along the I-95 corridor right now. By the way, up here in the Great Lakes region, the blues showing up, cold enough for snow on the backside of this developing storm. Let's just walk through an hourly increments here. That heavy rain expands northward into south-central Pennsylvania over the next hour or so. And here we go now, continuing in the D.C. metro region, now into southeastern Pennsylvania. This is by mid-morning or so. Now, here we go. By the mid and latter part of the morning, low pressure is starting to form over northern Virginia. We talked about this over the last couple of days. This is a secondary low. The initial low tends to weaken and dissipate over the Ohio Valley. With this secondary low pressure area, it will intensify and move northward into the in Pennsylvania and ultimately into New York State. Very heavy rain at this time. This is midday, early afternoon hours here. Heavy rain, some embedded strong to perhaps severe thunderstorms across the D.C. metro region. Heavy rain all up along the eastern part of Pennsylvania into the New York City metro region. And here we go. That low pressure area moving right on top of the I-95 corridor, kind of unusual, and that certainly increases upward motion for this developing system, this unfolding system. Notice right now the rain stopped or lightened up quite a bit in Philly, New York City. We're now into the early afternoon hours. Again, it'll be a day of rounds of showers and thunderstorms. Let's keep pushing forward. Here we go, low pressure almost right over Philadelphia into the southeastern part of Pennsylvania. Another round of showers and embedded heavy thunderstorms here. We're now into the early to mid-afternoon hours, and here by mid-afternoon, winding down in the D.C. metro region during the mid and latter part of the afternoon. Still, a shower or thunderstorm can form, but the steadiest, heaviest rain pushes off to the north and east by this time, and then finally this low pressure area by the latter part of the afternoon starts to head up north into northeastern Pennsylvania, as does the heaviest, steadiest rain associated with that low pressure area. But still a residual shower or lingering thunderstorm possible in the I-95 corridor during the latter part of the afternoon. But the most volatile time period, really right from now through the early afternoon hours. Let's go out a little bit farther now, and here we have that low pressure area ending up over New York State. Now this is early tonight, Thursday evening, cold enough for snow on the backside of this system. And on Friday, we'll be on the backside of the system in D.C., Philadelphia, New York City. Much cooler A little struggle to reach 50 degrees for highs in the big cities. Phillies have a home opener tomorrow afternoon. Will not be a nice day for that. They'll get it in, but it will not be a nice day. Mostly cloudy skies, windy, cool, with an occasional passing light shower. Saturday looks like a cool and breezy day. For this time of the year, it'll be cool. It may be milder on Saturday compared to tomorrow, but still cool for this time of the year. And then spectacular weather. Let me repeat, spectacular weather here for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. But a lot of activity today. Heavy rainfall embedded strong due to severe thunderstorms, especially through the morning and early afternoon hours. Can even linger into the mid or latter part of the afternoon in some parts of the I-95 corridor. One final note, the grounds are pretty well saturated north of the Pennsylvania-Maryland border, so localized flooding is a real concern today. This will be the third heavy rain event for places like Philadelphia and New York City, so watch out for any reports of localized flooding conditions, especially north of the Mason-Dixon line. That's it for now. For VencoreWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.